in production.
Best in production goes to candidate number 6.
Minor Award, Best in Opening Statement. And our presenter, GDS, Marcy Africa, and Lance.
Got it! Number 12! Divided by 2! Got it! Number 6!
Thank you so much. And the next special final award rather is Best in Resorts Wear, and the presenters of 3 at kokoronahan ngayong gabi.
It's you again, number 6!
Habot Awards number 6. Okay. Next, Best in Gown, and the presenters March Di Torres and JB Galiga. Step forward. You belong to top 3. Number 6.
Siyempre, automatic na pasok agad si number 6 kasi Habot Award.
Oo.
Tingnan na natin kung sino ang nasa
Number.
You got the 7th spot! Candidate number 3!
The last spot is yours. Candidate number. Number 2. Congratulations and thank you, ladies.
Partner, thank you so much.
Nandito na tayo sa pinaka-hihintay. Okay, number ng ating mga judges.
Ayun ang partner. Para mawala ka ba?
Kamusta ka na, candidate number 6? Kamusta ka naman?
I'm good.
Kamusta ang pakiramdam na nahabot mo lahat ng award ngayong gabi?
I'm very proud of myself. But first of all, I'm very proud of my trainer. Ate Ara, pasita ka siya ngayon.
Si number 6 ba ay may pag-ibig?
Yes po.
Ayan, nandito ang pag-ibig mo. Nasaan ang pag-ibig ni number 6? Pataas ng kamay.
Secret po.
Ha? Nandiyan?
Secret po.
Ha? Pag hindi ka nagpakilala, eto yung huling gabing makakasama mo siya, maghihiwalay kayo. Charis. Facebook pa. Okay. So take your time to answer the question. Relax. Hinga ng malalim. Ang judge na magtatanong sa iyo, candidate number 6, ay walang ibang kundi si Judge paano yung simula nito? So, si Sir March, si March ang una. So, meaning, the chairman of the board ang magtatanong sa'yo. Number 6. Microphone, please. Kay Sir Lander.
Hello. Good evening, candidate number 6.
Good evening po.
This is your question. What does youth empowerment means to you? And why is it important?
Thank you for that wonderful question. To me, youth is a ball of energy, compassion, respect, and creativity. As I said earlier, the youth is the leaders of tomorrow, and I believe it is also the leaders of today. I believe as a part of the youth, I can change the impact on the world. I can change the way we see in the world. I believe that we, youth, stands a chance in making a powerful impact for all. And I thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Balik ka na kayo sa... Okay. Sa backstage na, diretso. Mag-retouch muna, magpahinga ng very light. So, next is candidate number 3.
Yes, number 3. Kasi siya ang pangalawang nakapasok.
Interview mo muna, partner, pamatanggal ang nervyos.
Oo. My partner, baka gusto mo na ng mic. Ayan, good evening, candidate number 3. Ayan, anong pakiramdam na nakapasok ka sa top 3? Hindi ka makapaniwala. Ayan yung background music ko, pwede ka bawasan ng konti. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, si candidate number 3 ba ay may pag-ibig na?
Wala po.
O complicated? Wala talaga. Sana all. Baka may gusto kang batiin muna?
Gusto ko lang pong batiin yung lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin simulan sa sapul ko. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang aking mga magulang na fully support sa akin. Yun lang po.
Okay, at dahil siya, ulit na ikaw. At ang nabunod pong judge ay si judge number 4, si Ma'am Mansanan.
Good evening, candidate number 3. Sorry to box this question. So, are you ready to answer the question? Ano ang kahanga-hanga mong katangian na pwede mong ipagmalaki na maaring gayahin ng iyong kapwa kabataan?
Pwede pong paulit.
Okay. Ano ang kahanga-hanga mong katangian na pwede mong ipagmalaki na maaring gayahin ng iyong kapwa kabataan?
Salamat po sa napakagandang tanong. Ang kahanga-hanga kong katangian na kaya kong ibahagi sa kapwa ko kabataan ay ang pagiging may malasakit sa kapwa at may pagiging may self-confidence at may determinasyon na umarap sa maraming tao. Sapagkat ito ang gusto kong ibahagi sa kanila na kaya mong umarap kahit gaano pa kadami ang tao na yan. Maipakita mo lang kung sino at ano ka. Yun na lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3!
Good na, ang candidate number 3. And eto na ang ating last candidate. Ayan, baka may gusto kang batiin, candidate number 2, go ahead.
Ako sa mga sumusuporta lahat sa akin, lalong-lalo na po sa aking family.
Ayan, so okay. Kuha ka ng isa, diretso na tayo at gagabihin tayo at uwi pa kami sa hulo-sulo. Okay, good luck, candidate number 2. Ang judge na magtatanong sa iyo ay ang ating judge number 2, Madam April Joy Antonico.
Good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening.
Okay, this is your question. As a youth, how can you encourage your fellow young people to choose the right leaders in the upcoming election? I repeat, as a youth, how can you encourage your fellow young people to choose the right leaders in the upcoming election?
Pwede pong patagal.
Okay. Bilang isang kabataan, paano mo mahihikayat ang kapwa mo kabataan na piliin ang tamang leader sa darating na eleksyon? Uulitin ko, bilang isang kabataan, paano mo mahihikayat ang kapwa mo kabataan na piliin ang tamang leader sa darating na eleksyon?
Maraming salamat po. Paano ko mahihikayat ang kabataan na maging katapatan, maging pumili ng dapat ito? Unang-una sa lahat, bago tayo pumili ng ating magiging pinuno, maging responsibilidad, at talagang disidido bilang isang maging leader. Paano ko mahihikayat ang mga kabataan upang magkaroon kami ng magandang leader? Unang-una, kinakailangan namin ng edukasyon upang pag-aralan namin ang mga tama at mali na dapat ginagawa. And I believe, being a self-confidence to everyone ay isang magandang larawan para sa lahat. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2, and good luck. Okay, partner, who will be the lucky tonight and who will be the bulyak ng Masagisi 2025? Barangay Masagisi 2025. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the farewell of Mutya ng Masagisi 2024.
Magandang gabi, Barangay Masagisi. Tonight, as my time as Philippine Citizen Queen comes to a close, I find myself overwhelmed by a wave of emotion, gratitude, pride, and a touch of sadness. This journey has been a deeply personal one, a period of self-discovery and a growth that has pushed me beyond of my comfort zone and challenged me in ways that I never imagined. I've learned to embrace challenges, to find strength in every way, and to appreciate the power of human connection. The memories I've made, the laughter, the tears, the shared experiences are incredible marks of my life. I've formed bonds with incredible women, bonds that I know will last for a lifetime. The support of my family, friends, and the people of Barangay Masagisi has been my constant source of strength and inspiration. I've learned so much from this experience, and I will carry these lessons with me always. To the next Binibining Sagisian Queen, embrace every moment, cherish every connection, and never be afraid to be yourself. Your journey will be unique and filled with its own set of challenges. Remember to always stay true to your values and use your platform to make a positive impact on the lives of others. The crown is a symbol of responsibility, but more importantly, it is a symbol of empowerment. Use your voice to inspire, your action to lead, and your heart to serve. Thank you all for being a part of this incredible chapter of my life. Your support has meant the world to me. This is Mary Louise Filipino Lafranco, your Winning Philippine Queen 2024, now signing off. Thank you and mabuhay.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Mutia ng Masagisi 2024.
Candidate number 2!
Once again, our second runner-up is candidate number 2. Partner, okay din yung sagot ni number 3. Okay din ang sagot ni number 6.
Sino kaya?
Back to 0 po tayo. Sino kaya ang ating bagong mutya ng Barangay Masagisi? Tinatawagan natin ang ating dalawa dito sa harap. Hawang kamay, dito kayo sa harap. Please.
Just sa may spotlight, bebe.
Okay. For the first runner-up presenters, for the certificate, Apple Grace Panaha. For the crown, Claire Joy Sandoval. For the trophy, Sir Mark Mel Manzanal. For the sash, SK Ronald John Bedoy. For the bouquet, Lander Salosa. And for the cash prize, Treasurer Laika Pailan. And for our Mutya ng Masagisi 2025 presenters. For the crown, Honorable Hazen Umali. At magbabackward ang ating Mutya para bigyan daan ng coronation para sa ating first runner-up. And before that, once again, thank you so much Barangay Masagisi and Touch of Touch Production for being a part of this big event as your hosts. And hopefully next year, magkita-kita po muli tayo.
Yes. Our first runner-up gathering a total score of 96.9%. At ang ating Mutya ng Masagisi 2025 gathering a total score of 98.6%. Ang una ko pong tatawagan ay ang ating first runner-up at ang maiiwan ay ang ating Mutya ng Masagisi.
Nakaready na po ang ating presenters para sa ating Mutya para diretso na po. Yung mga tinawag namin, please.
Sa Mutya po.
Again, for the certificate, Madam Noreen Levy. And for the crown, Madam Hazen, o Kapitana Hazen Umani, together with Sir Yermel Umani. And for the trophy, to announce the first runner-up.
Our first runner-up is candidate number...
Once again, sa ating mga Board of Judges.
Thank you so much. Barangay Masagisi. Our first runner-up is you. Candidate number...
It's you, candidate number 3. And our Mutya ng Masagisi is candidate number 6.
2025 is candidate number 6! Representing Sangguniang Kabataan!
Once again, thank you so much to the barangay officials of Barangay Masakisi. And thank you to the parents of our candidates. And thank you sa ating mga candidates.
At syempre sa ating mga makeup artists, maraming salamat.
Sa mga donors and sponsors natin, partner,
Yes, thank you so much.
Sa ating mga table occupants, thank you. And hopefully, may present sila bukas
Yes.
sa last night celebration. Congratulations to candidate number 2, number 3,